Hello traders, this is Alla Peters Platcher on May 4th with a quick weekly recap. FOMC was an extremely important event. Alpha Fibonacci system identified days in advance that this is critical key break wall where S&P collapsed from. So witnessing how my traders trade from all over the world, how CEO picking up 25.5 points on S&P, how Greg is trading and seeing success rate of my students is absolutely phenomenal. As again and again, these are traders from all over the world, from New Zealand, Australia, Canada, Puerto Rico, Chicago, London. And this is the biggest compliment I can ever receive when I'm invited to spend weekend with the smartest minds on the planet. Branson is tiny compared to you. That's it. It says it all. And the reason I live and breathe what I do. So, oil selling off despite the war, oil coming to critical key institutional buy point. This is a lesson. Triple spectacular bullish earnings on oil and oil sold off because many months in advance, this is critical key break wall. Apple before earnings, struggling at this level. Do you know what to do with your position on Apple? So again, you do not have to day trade the system. You can trade system on anything you choose. And where I work with traders all over the world who trading euro, pound, who trading Bitcoin. This is critical key on Bitcoin now. Day trading is not for everyone, but if you day trade Alpha Fibonacci system, this is how the alerts on scanner will come out. And as you could see, no one is surprised where buyers keep coming out. Software Ninja Trader 8 showing you clearly it's a bold green zone. And as you could see, for a while longer, Bobby already had been long. Long, long, long. That's it. So if you can drive, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system on all instruments. You can stay in your lane, you can obey the rules, you can make an effort. The sky's the limit. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system and our students who trading system globally on all instruments, all time frames. Choice is yours. Is it gold? Choice is yours. Is it Apple? Choice is yours. What you want to trade. Obey the rules and make an effort and join our global community of traders, and you can trade all instruments, all time frames, and you will have a greatest week and weekends of all. That's it. And that's a summary with our incredible traders from all over the world this week. Despite this incredible events in the market, this very solid news-filled week, our traders doing just fine, enjoying trading in all market conditions, on all instruments, all time frames. So please come to the website and view the video student made about Alpha Fibonacci System and Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 12-year anniversary. If you're ready to trade all instruments, all platforms, a strategic, intelligent chest, I look forward working with you. You can trade on all platforms or with the software for Ninja Trader 8 with live classes, group mentoring, private mentoring, live trading or video library and modules. So if you see CEO coming to classes in the middle of the night in Australia, if you see this trader trading with this kind of success rate, CEO does not need to be in classes. But he loves Alpha Fibonacci system and he keeps coming back for more and more and more and more. And this is what it's all about. And yes, if Bobby keeps inviting me to Puerto Rico, I may come. And again, you want to trade NVIDIA or Apple, of course you can. View students' performance, listen to students' podcasts, choose from option appropriate for you. You can be like Richard, retiring, trading Alpha Fibonacci system on options. You can be like Theo, trading Forex, trading oil, trading futures. Or you can be like mom with two little babies at home, but what's the most important part? Oh, this beautiful game of chess. Patience rewarded, wait calmly for signs. Choice is yours. What instrument, what time frame? If these traders can do it, so can you. Simply make an effort and obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. Trade on all platforms, all instruments, or with the software for NinjaTrader 8. You can always view the system in the live markets and ask me questions. Join us for private mentoring. I have one spot left, savings $8,000. Group course second option is the most popular option, savings $5,000. All include lifetime system for all platforms. All include video library modules, live trading room. All include live group classes. Only difference, option 1 for all platforms, not for NinjaTrader 8, and option 3, private mentoring. So please choose the option appropriate for you. Option 2, the most popular option, savings with $5,000. So please review all the information available for you on our homepage and do not hesitate to contact me. I live and breathe what I do. I'm very proud of what I developed, and seeing what our traders do all over the world is the biggest honor. And coming to the live classes with my students every day is the reason I live and breathe what I do, and the reason I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning. Thank you so much, everyone. I look forward to speaking with you if you're ready to trade as an intelligent trader. The sky's the limit with Alpha Fibonacci system on all instruments, all platforms, or with software for NinjaTrader 8. Thank you.